Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to create Trust Wallet account in 2023. To start this tutorial, I will need you to open and locate your Trust Wallet application in your mobile device. Once done, tap on Create a New Wallet, check the checkbox and hit Continue. In here, create your own passcode. Make sure no one knows this except you. Confirm the passcode again. In here, check the first box, the second and the third, then click Continue. This will be your secret phrase. Make sure you save it. Now wait for the application to finish loading this time. This will take a few minutes or seconds, so don't worry, I'll be here. Take your time. Now on the second phase, you can now buy crypto. Just click on Buy Now, or whatever crypto you want to buy. And that's it. Just follow the rest of the settings or the instructions on the screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.